Hello everyone. So first we are going to take a ponytail, then we're gonna tie this ribbon upon it. With help of that we are going to make a braid by dividing the hair into two sections, and then we're gonna fold it out and applying a rubber band for securing our bun. And at last we are going to give it a bow effect with the help of the same ribbon only, and your hairstyle is completed. Next we are going to take a high ponytail, then dividing it into two sections, further into three, and then passing the two on the one. After that repeating the same steps again and again, and your simple easy braid is ready. Next we are going to take the hair from one side, starting by making a braid by dividing the hair into two parts, and then start taking hair from one side one by one till this braid is completed. Then we're gonna take another section from the back and making a ponytail. After that dividing the hair into three parts and making a simple braid, hence folding it. Next we are going to take a high ponytail, taking some part of it from the top, making a braid from that, and then we are going to take the remaining hair and start making this braid by dividing the hair into three parts and folding the two onto one, then joining the braid with this, and you can see your hairstyle is completed.